In 1945, the disappearance of Flight 19 cemented the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a graveyard. 5 Navy Avenger planes took off for a routine mission and vanished into the Atlantic without a trace. Since that mission, records show over 50 ships and 20 planes have disappeared within these coordinates. In every instance, search teams found no wreckage, and investigators received no distress calls. For decades, the scientific establishment leaned towards skepticism. In 2017, Australian scientist Carl Kruszelnicki argued that the triangle's reputation was a matter of high traffic volume and statistical probability rather than mystery. For a century, the public had to choose between supernatural legends and statistical dismissals. That binary remained the standard until a singular discovery forced a total reevaluation of the region. In late 2025 and early 2026, new deep-sea scanning technology bypassed the old debates. Researchers identified a physical anomaly on the ocean floor that neither side had predicted. Beneath the seabed lies a massive 12.4-mile-thick rock structure. It sits isolated within the crust, unlike anything in the surrounding Atlantic. Standard tectonic plates are heavy, high-density rock. This anomaly is a low-density material that contradicts our understanding of Earth's composition. This geological finding moved the investigation away from naval folklore and toward an active, physical analysis of the ocean floor. This 12.4-mile-thick rock layer serves as a foundational pillar. It is the primary structure keeping the island of Bermuda from sinking into the surrounding abyss. However, the structure's unique mass creates immense gravitational and magnetic anomalies. These forces project upward from the seabed, saturating a water column all the way to the surface. These localized fields explain why nautical compasses have been reported spinning wildly out of control in this region for over 100 years. In February 2026, researchers confirmed the intensity of these magnetic forces. They are severe enough to instantly stall modern boat engines and disrupt sensitive aircraft instrumentation. These invisible deep water forces physically paralyze engines, trapping vessels within a high hazard zone where they are vulnerable to the ocean's more violent mechanics. Once a vessel is trapped, the geological disruption below triggers a chain of sudden physical reactions at the surface. The structure's activity causes massive methane gas pockets to erupt from the ocean floor. As this gas surges upward, it transforms the surrounding water into a low-density froth. This sudden drop in water density removes the buoyancy required to keep massive cargo ships afloat. Without warning, the aerated water causes the vessels to plummet straight down toward the seabed. Simultaneously, the collision of deep-sea currents creates 10-story-high rogue waves. These walls of water possess enough force to snap a ship in seconds. The combination of instant buoyancy loss and crushing waves leaves no time for distress calls. This explains why over 1,000 victims have vanished without leaving behind any detectable wreckage. While science has now identified the physical mechanics of these disappearances, the origin of the structure itself remains unexplained. This 12.4-mile structure behaves differently than any other geological formation on Earth. Its precise location and unique composition suggest an unnatural presence beneath the waves. Multiple research expeditions sent to investigate the structure in 2026 have gone entirely silent. In several cases, the data they collected was immediately classified by government agencies and removed from public record. Leaked data from these silenced missions suggests that the structure's density anomalies are so extreme they may be distorting the local fabric of time and space. Mapping the mechanics of the Bermuda Triangle confirms a persistent danger, a massive, unnatural mechanism operating beneath the ocean's surface, and it remains active today.